Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete the Hinge app from your phone whether you are taking a break or no longer want to use it. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and locate the Hinge app icon on your home screen. Press and hold the Hinge icon until a menu appears or the icon starts to jiggle. If the menu appears, tap remove app, then delete app to confirm. If the icons are jiggling, tap the small X or minus symbol on the Hinge app icon, then confirm by tapping delete. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to delete the app. Tap the delete to remove Hinge from your iPhone. If you have a Hinge preferred premium subscription, make sure to cancel it first in settings, then tap on your Apple ID at the top, then subscriptions. This prevents future charges after deleting the app. Now, Hinge will no longer take up space on your phone. You can check your storage by going to settings, general and iPhone storage. And that's it. Now you know how to delete the Hinge app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.